How to link Snapchat to Facebook profile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can link your Snapchat to Facebook profile. In order to do this procedure, first thing you have to make sure that the application is up to date, and then go ahead and log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this page. Right on this page you have to go ahead and tap the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. While you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you need to go ahead and select the see your about info. Under see more info, you need to go to the section of contact info and just click on edit button located right in the corner. As you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and select social link. So for that, go ahead and tap on add social link, and then you need to select the category, that is Snapchat, and as per the account name you need to type in what is your account name or your Snapchat username. You need to click on add social link or just tap the save button located right in the corner, and here you can see that the Snapchat has been added. So that's basically how you can link your Snapchat to Facebook profile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.